Hey, Rise and Shine family, welcome to day 7 of our 21-day self improvement journey. Can you believe we're already wrapping up week 1? Today, we're diving into one of the most transformative topics yet: self awareness. Self awareness is the foundation of personal growth. But here's the thing: many people think they know themselves well, but the truth is often surprising. Are you ready to uncover your strengths, reflect on areas to grow, and take control of your future? Let's do this. Here's why self-awareness is so crucial. Research shows that only 10 to 15% of people are truly self-aware. Yet those who are tend to be more successful, confident, and happier in life. It's time to see where you stand. Here's a shocking fact: a Harvard Business Review study found that 95% of people think they're self-aware, but only 12 to 15% actually are. That means most of us are walking around with blind spots we don't even know exist. Imagine what could change if you took the time to truly understand yourself. Why self-awareness matters. Self-awareness is about understanding your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, and how they impact your life. It's like holding up a mirror and seeing the truth, not just what you want to see. The more you understand yourself, the better decisions you can make, the stronger your relationships become, and the more you align with your goals. Here's an example. Did you know that leaders who are self-aware perform 31% better at work and lead teams that are more engaged and productive? Self-awareness isn't just a personal skill, it's a superpower. How often do you reflect on your own thoughts and actions? Let us know in the comments. Are you journaling regularly? Or does it feel like something you never have time for? Let me tell you about LeBron James, one of the greatest basketball players of all time. Beyond his athletic talent, what sets LeBron apart is his self-awareness. He's an avid journaling advocate and regularly reflects on his performance, mindset, and goals. LeBron uses journaling not only to analyze his game, but also to improve his focus and maintain a balanced mindset. LeBron credits self-reflection as a key factor in his success, both on and off the court. By identifying his strengths and areas for growth, he has continued to evolve as a player and as a leader. His commitment to self-awareness has helped him become more adaptable and resilient, which is why he remains at the top of his game, even after 2 decades in the NBA. Here's something surprising. A survey conducted by Psychology Today found that people who journal regularly are 30% more likely to achieve their goals than those who don't. Yet only 1 in 4 people actually make journaling a habit. This simple practice could be the key to unlocking your potential. Now that we know why self-awareness is so important, let's talk about how to use journaling as a tool to develop it. Here are 3 prompts you can use today. 1. List your strengths. Write down 3 things you're really good at. These are your superpowers. Own them. 2. Identify areas for growth. Think about one area where you want to improve. Write about why it's important to you and what steps you can take to grow. 3. Reflect on your day. Ask yourself, what went well today? What didn't? What can I learn from this? By writing these down, you're not just thinking, you're creating a roadmap for growth. Self-awareness is the foundation of all self-improvement. By journaling your strengths and areas for growth, you gain clarity about who you are and where you want to go. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being real with yourself. Your challenge today is to grab your journal and answer the 3 prompts we discussed. 1. What are your strengths? 2. What's one area where you can grow? 3. What did you learn from your day? Share one insight from your journaling session in the comments below. Let's grow together. Congratulations on completing week 1 of our self-improvement journey. Next week, we're leveling up with topics like building routines, overcoming procrastination, and creating positive habits. Get ready for a week full of transformation. Until then, keep reflecting, keep growing, and most importantly, keep shining. Let's rise and shine together. If you like this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel Rise and Shine.